Today we're going to talk about the preposition of, O-F. It's spelled with an F on the end, but we pronounce it with a V sound, so of. It can be used to indicate possession or relation, such as part of, member of, friend of, owner of, end of, beginning of, middle of, heart of, edge of, and center of. It can be used to express quantity, as in a lot of, a piece of, a slice of, a handful of, a cup of, a bottle of, a bit of, a number of, a pile of, or a pair of. It can be used to indicate cause or origin, like because of, out of, made of, full of, lack of, result of, product of, born of, cause of. And some miscellaneous expressions with of are of course, of use, of importance, of interest, of value, of its kind, out of control, out of order, out of reach, out of sight. All right, so let's practice of in sentences. So try to repeat them after me and use the same prosody. The CEO of the company will address the staff tomorrow. The first chapter of the book is ready for review. She's a valued member of the team. The policy outlines the responsibilities of each department. The heart of the issue is miscommunication. The edge of the desk is slightly damaged. The success of the project depends on teamwork. He's a friend of my manager. The center of the city is bustling with activity. I drink a lot of coffee during the night shift. Can you send me a copy of the presentation? She took a slice of cake from the break room. A handful of employees will be attending the seminar. We need a number of volunteers to finish the task. He provided a detailed explanation of the process. The room was full of people discussing the budget. A bottle of water was left on the table. A pair of scissors is missing from the supply cabinet. A bit of feedback would be helpful for the design. The chair is made of metal and wood. The result of our efforts is a successful product launch. We ran out of paper during the printing session. The source of the problem has been identified. A lack of funding delayed the project. The cause of the error was an outdated system. Okay, that's all for the preposition of. I hope that helped. If you liked it, please subscribe. Thanks.